Hello everyone, welcome back to Ruthi Studios and Ruthi here. Today I am back with a new video showing you the unboxing and review of Oneplus Type-C headphones. These headphones are basically designed for those kind of phones which do not have a 3.5mm jack and only has USB Type-C port for both charging and connecting to earphones. Let's get started. So guys, here we have the Oneplus Type-C earphones packed nicely in a black box. This is available in black color only and no other color is available as far as my knowledge is concerned. So coming to the outlook, there are light reflected images, which means you can be able to see them only when tilted to a particular angle so that light falls on it and reflects back. In the center there is an image of earphones with Oneplus logo at the top and the earphones text at the bottom. So that's all about the front. There are only images at the front and no specifications or technical details. Let's go to the back and see what we have. At the back we have some of the specification details along with the price tag of 1500 rupees. So clearly this is not a budget earphone. Okay, that's all about the outlook. Let's open it up and see what we have inside. Upon opening we have the earphones arranged in a nicely manner showcasing the earpieces and nothing else. So let's open it up and see. Let's see what we have else other than the earphones. I think there is something hidden inside here. Let's find out what it is. My guess would be an extra earbuds. Yeah, that would be the only guess. Let's see what it is. Let's open this up. Yeah, I am right. These are some of the extra earbuds. In case you lose the original one, you can use them. Okay. So those are the only contents in the box, the earphones and the extra earbuds. Let's keep all of them aside and get ready to open the earpieces case itself. So finally we opened it and upon opening we have the user manuals. I don't know why every company gives the user manuals. So this is our user manual which is present in English and the Chinese language. You know Mandarin, you can read it in Chinese. Okay, let's keep them aside and come to the earphones pieces itself. So this is nicely packed in a plastic cover. Let's open it up and see how it is. So these are the earphones. This is a wire nicely packed. And at the first look, the wire is a flat wire. This is not a round one. In my opinion, the flat wire will be a less delicate than the round one. Yes. So on the one side we have the USB Type-C cable, which is very much expected. These earphones can only be used by the phones having the USB Type-C cable, so take care of that before buying this one. As we move to the front, here we have the controls to increase or decrease the volume, play or pause the media buttons, to control the audio directly from the earphones itself, which is nice to have. And here we have the earbuds. The earbuds are very light in size and easily fit into your ears without any hassle. There are also left and the right markings so that you can wear them correctly. That's all about the outlook guys. Let's get into the performance stuff. Guys, I have connected these earphones with the Oneplus 7 mobile and the sound quality is really very nice. I also went one step ahead and connected with the Oneplus 5 mobile, which specifically has a 3.5mm jack and a USB port is just intended for charging. I also connected this to that charging port, enabled OTG access and listened to it. The sound quality is not that great as that of the Oneplus 7. I don't know why. As the mobile changes, the sound quality changed in this one. And coming to the next one, I also compared it with the Sennheiser earphones which I have been using for the past 3 years. This is the Sennheiser earphones which costed for around 1500, which is same as that of the Oneplus Type-C earphones. The Sennheiser is of top quality and I have been using for 3 years and I never regretted about it. The bass, the music, the voice, the notes, everything in this are pretty much very fine. When compared with the Sennheiser earphones, I did not see that quality in these Type-C earphones, even though they are of the same price. This one is not able to deliver that sound quality in my opinion. I felt like that while when listening to both the earphones. Also one more thing, as I said, when connected to the Oneplus 7 mobile, it delivered outstanding voice quality, but when I connected to Oneplus 5 device, it does not deliver that much good quality. So here we have the Oneplus 7 mobile, which just has a Type-C port for both the charging and the earphones as well. And there is no 3.5mm jack for this phone. Let's connect the earphones to this phone and see how it reacts immediately. As soon as I connect the earphones, they were detected automatically and a headphone symbol is displayed on the status bar. Let's test the same with another mobile having a 3.5mm jack along with the Type-C port. Here I am testing the connectivity with the Oneplus 5 mobile which has a Type-C port and a 3.5mm jack too. As per our expectations, if we connect the earphones to this mobile, they should automatically be detected and the earphone symbol should be displayed in the status bar. Okay, let's see what happens. I'm connecting it to the Type-C port which is used for charging. As soon as I connect, I don't see any indication in the status bar. Yeah, so that means the phone hasn't detected the Type-C headphones that are connected to the Type-C port which is used for charging. Let's enable the OTG access and see if there is any indication. I'm going to the OTG settings in the settings and enabling it. As soon as I enable the OTG, I see the status bar has a headphone symbol. So the final conclusion is, if you connect these headphones to your phone having a headphone jack along with the Type-C port, you need to specifically take care of enabling the OTG access for the mobile to detect these earphones. So that's all about the headphone guys. If you have a Type-C port on your phone without a 3.5mm jack, and the most important one is that you are not short in money, then you can happily go and buy these Type-C earphones from the OnePlus. So that's all for today guys. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.